At Irvin Services, we started 20 years ago. We originally started off working in the commercial construction, miscellaneous metals and architectural metals. And then over the years, we've added all of the machinery here in our shop. From that, we have a lot of additional capacity. So now we're branching out into the job shop work where we're just making product for other people. I like to think no project is too small or no project is too large. We do all of our own in-house design, detail, drafting, and engineering, so we can offer that cradle to grave solution. I met Trilogy 6 years back at a FabTech trade show. The Roundo was the first machine that we had bought. We enjoy the flexibility of it, and the nice part is with the support through Trilogy, if we have any problems, they're close by in Baltimore, we pick up the phone and we can take care of it immediately. As our needs evolve, our machines continue to grow. With plate rolls, specifically our Lemas machines, pretty simple set it and forget it machine. They'll send it, it'll come shipped, put a power cord on it, and we're up and running. If we have any questions or operations, they're close by. We just enjoy their machinery, good people to work with. As for the future of Irvin Services, things are always changing and ever growing. We're very happy to continue to grow, and I think it's looking great.